What do we got? Yeah. Get him. You saw that, right? They're one of the handheld ones to do this. Dang, he ate that. The cameras. Here, stop right there. Yeah, we're gonna go for he's over there, Dan and Joe are over there. Way out there, wasn't it? Oh, Daniel! Oh, Daniel! Are you kidding me right now?
Watch your rock.
Oh, come on. Did you like swimming all the way to the boat before
Well,
you got the hook?
I looked it up and I knew it was this. I knew there was a fish, so I brought it down.
Oh, get him over, get him over.
It was even closer.
Get him in. All right, big girl. You just be a good girl for a second. You're gonna hold him. That's the pretty side. So you're gonna hold that side to me. Bring these two. 4-pounder in the back of the well. There you go, honey. There you go, baby. I wouldn't the rock pile? The trolling over. And then this is in front of us. Yeah? Like that. In the net?
Yeah. My dragon was strawberry.
Ooh. Smallmouth?
No, larger.
Why aren't you falling in there?
Every single time, I can't even like.
You got him down there too.
They always swim it like halfway to the boat before I even do it.
Wonder why that is, son.
Oh,
ouch. You too?
Is that a good one? Oh yeah. It's not like, it's maybe around my size. A little smaller.
Larger? Yep.
Yeah. Catch back here, Joe. Catch him, catch him.
Just drop him in that well. Right below me.
Well, Jimmy goes on your side and mine goes on my side.
All right, yeah. Jimmy's goes on my side.
Yeah.
Yours goes on your side. Which one's? He had the
This
bigger
one's
one.
mine.
Yes. All right, we got to sit down, fish.
Okay.
Smallmouth?
Oh, goodness gracious.
Poor bastard. Oh, I feel bad. He thought he was getting something intended.
That's the kind of fish we were weighing in on the Mohawk.
Yeah. We were calling bigger fish to get to that one.
We did too.
fish. Feels a good one.
Spinnerbait?
Another largemouth.
Bring right down. Oh, the black spinnerbait. See, I told you the black
Did you
spinnerbait
watch
would work.
him eat it?
No.
No.
They do have some sharp teeth, don't they?
Oh wait, no.
You got 2. Well, you got 3 total,
Yeah,
but you got 2 in the well.
Big ended.
Dude, there's some fish in the back of this creek.
Damn, dude, he's torturing him.
You going to that side?
Hold on.
Damn. Oh.
What should I throw?
Apparently that tube.
Where did I put it?
Oh. I thought he was giant. Daniel, he's catching up to you. Think he's a keeper?
Where? I.
Yeah, he's a keeper.
What brand is this?
Brand is what?
Is this a terminal?
Bass Pro Shops American something.
I like this.
That's spinnerbait? Me too. That used to be my favorite spinnerbait to throw here, son. I had a white one, a black one, and a chartreuse one. Right in the chin.
Are you? Oh my god.
Hold on. Dude, that is in the chin. You're not bleeding, but it's in your chin. It looks like it's past the bars. Do we dare try the braid trick?
Yeah.
Do we have any heavy braid in there? You know what? Never mind. I got it in the rod locker. Just glad it wasn't an eye. He says, I got to get a picture of that. I want to get my arm around you. I want to be able to hold that just like that. Just like that. Oh, I should have had it on film.
I don't think we got it.
No, I was more worried about
You
getting
want to
that
put it
out of
back
you.
in?
All right, the braid trick works, fellas. Look behind you. I was gonna go one and then yank it, but I just like,
You catch him, Bob?
I'm just
Yeah,
gonna
I'm
fucking yank it.
You see that picture right there? That tag end off?
It's got blood on it, son, so you might want to get this in the water quick to catch that catfish. Catfish can smell bloods. All right, kid, now I gotta put my safety glasses on. It's like I'm ducking.
Yeah, Joe?
Yeah.
Did you finally get one? Big enough to net?
I don't even know.
Flip them right over
That's
here
a
back to me.
catfish.
Is that that little skinny small?
They say
Oh,
catch a catfish.
Dude, whatever you say.
I
it
said
actually
get a catfish. Yeah, but 5-pound largemouth also like the smell of blood.
Well, this guy.
Dude, I broke my tube in the blood.
Here, leave him down there.
That's actually kind of crazy. That's what's been actually happening.
Well, he said catfish like blood, so throw it out there. And he went, ooh, blood.
Species.
Ooh, bloods. He ate the bloods. Nice job, son. Man, you sure somebody didn't eat it?
They did too.
Oh,
First live bait fish. First live scope fish.
oh, what catfish?
Another catfish.
Let's go.
What? That's what we're looking at. We live scope the catfish.
I'm literally gonna keep live scoping catfish if I can catch them. Everything.
First live scope fish for Daniel.